So here we have, the initial, all of these data are taken from the grid file. So let's check it. Grid, this one. Okay. So init, we have keyword init for the initialization. And this one PV means we will only allow the grid block that has pore volume minimum this value. Okay, so we will allow any block with a very small pore volume, but we will reject anything below this pore volume. And then Eng-Man, so we will activate this one, 12,960 grid blocks, which is the result of the setting, the dimensions for our modeling, which is 9 multiplied by 36 multiplied by 40. So X multiplied by Y and multiplied by Z. And then this one, dx, dy, and dz, basically the block size. So as you can see here, 8.2 multiplied by 10, right here. This will be applied for all these 12,960 grid blocks. So basically the dx, the size of the block x, I mean block size along x, sorry, is 82. And you can check it here. You see, everything will be 82. For y, everything also will be 82. But for z, everything will be 1.625. And you can see in our code here. Okay. And then porosity will be homogeneous, 19%. You get that from here. I can, of course, change it to 0 point something, right? 0 0.25, 0 0.22. And then I can reload the model and you will have everything will be 0 0.2 something as per input. Okay, and then this is the setting for permeability in X direction, permeability in Y direction, and permeability in Z direction. Okay, you can expand it, So basically we provide, for example, this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we have 4 rows. Basically, we are imputing the permeability in Z direction for the 40 grid blocks that we have. So like this one, the first one is 0.03 to 55. So if you check at the permeability in Z direction, okay, and then grid block Z number 1, 0.03 to 55. And then for the second layer, 0.05815, you basically get that from this. And then and so on and so forth. Like 0.05065. 0.05065, right? So that's it. And the same thing also for block X. I mean, permeability in X direction, you have 6.51 because we input 6.51 here. Okay, and then what else? The tops located at this. Okay, so 6,000. Let's check it out. The top. Right, 6,000. Okay, so that's for the grid. Very simple. Okay, so, and then what else? Now let's check again the master data. Edit.